Guys, it's me playing Ground Gun. Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness.
Ewan ko.
It turned to this? Oh my goodness, oh my god. Ayo! What? I'm gonna reset. I'm gonna reset.
Reject na agad Okay. Kasi naman makinabang pa siya.
Ayo.
Pag
What is in stock? Stock. What is in stock?
Saan?
I gotta buy the buttercup. I need to get buy it.
Parang
Wait.
BFF.
What? What trillion?
Kaya nga, matandang babae.
Buttercup.
Di ba yun niya?
Gonna plant. What space? Okay.
Ano to? Hindi,
Okay.
ano nang bigay na ano?
Oh my gosh! Buttercup! It's a buttercup. It's a buttercup. It's a buttercup. Buttercup. I need to sell. Oh my goodness. I need to. I'm going crazy right now. I'm just going crazy.
Ano to?
Oh, no way. What? No stock. Why no stock? Huh? Why no stock? Oh, egg snapper. No, what is this? Oh my goodness!
Ay, nagre-record.
Oh my goodness. Oh, are you kidding me?
Magsasabi ko kung ano yung
Oh my
mga yan.
goodness.
I-explain mo sa audience
Is-
mo.
Wait a minute. That girl's to be in stock. Oh,
Oo.
that one. But it's no
One game per
stock.
video, di ba?
Are you kidding me?
Tapos, sasabihin, kakausapin mo yung audience mo.
Wait.
Alam
Wait,
mo ba yan?
my dog. Okay, guys, my dog got dug up
Nagsabi
a
ka ba,
carrot
welcome to my
seed.
YouTube channel?
Welcome. Welcome to my YouTube channel.
Hello mga Duendes, ganon. Sinabi mo na,
Hindi po. Sabi ko lang. Hi guys. Sabi ko lang
hello
hi
mga
guys.
Duendes!
Sabi
Welcome
ko lang-
back to my
sabi ko lang
YouTube
ano.
channel.
Hindi. Sabi ko lang ano.
Ang tawag mo sa audience mo ay mga Duendes.
Ha? Guys lang guys.
Guys lang.
Hi
Pwede naman
guys.
Duendes eh.
Ha? Oh my goodness,
Ay, ano
egg
nangyari?
war! Egg war!
Paano egg war? What do you mean?
Oh my goodness.
What do you mean by egg
Oh my
war?
shovel.
Ha?
I'm gonna knock out my eggs. I gotta get all the eggs. Ayo. Oh,
Nabunggo ka lang.
yes!
Ayaw.
Yes, carry.
Ano yan? Egg yan?
Are you serious?
Is that an egg?
Yes.
Ano egg ng ano yan?
Hindi ko nga alam. Baka bunny.
Ah, okay.
Bunny. Wait a
Ano
minute.
yung
Is that
hawak
an
niya,
egg?
Isa?
Egg.
Egg ng ano yun?
Baka bunny.
Hindi, color green eh.
Color green?
Oh.
Pwede rin green.
Oh.
1 per plus
Tapos
1
kukuha ka ulit?
golden egg. Opo.
Ah,
Oh, here. You smack.
Wala
Smack
naman.
like that. You dump. Gary.
Hala. Ay, nag-aagawan kayo.
Opo. Pwede na lang ganyan.
Ah, okay. Pero parang mas malaki yung sayo.
Ha? Oh my goodness.
Ah, pag ginanon mo, malalagyan na agad sa garden mo. Ayun, wala na. La.
Oh my goodness. At
Wala
least I have 2 eggs. Eggy. Oh! There's one right there. I gotta get it.
Saan?
Before
it's too late. Before it's too late.
oh my goodness.
Ay,
Oh, yay!
sa
yay.
garden mo ba yan?
Opo, garden.
Ah, okay.
Look at my garden. Oh, look at this. I have lightning lights.
Ay,
You see that?
wala na egg.
Huh? I'm gonna search for egg. For eggy.
Wala na. Ay, no, dun, no.
Ha,
Ay, hindi,
saan?
portal pala yun.
That one? Oh, that one. That one. Angry plant. Oh,
Anong ginawa sa'yo?
huh?
Nung angry plant.
I think in the update, it's gonna eat. It's gonna eat the egg.
Ah, okay.
And when the admin abuse.
Huh? What do you mean?
Admin abuse yung ano. Oh my goodness. 8 hours.
Abuse.
Abuse?
Kaya nga.
Ano po?
Ano nga yun?
Yung may ano, nandun po si Jandel.
Hindi ko
At
kalala.
may ano, doon may update, diba? Diba po? Oh, tingnan mo po. Tingnan mo po. Oh, bang may update. Wait lang. Oh, diba? Oh, Easter finale. Happening
Easter
now.
pa rin?
Ah? Opo, Easter.
Tapos na Holy Week ah.
Huh? Rainbow crafts. My goodness. Oh my god!
Goodness gracious.
Wait a minute, I'm gonna sit there again. Kaboom.
Bakit ka nasa ilalim?
Oh my goodness, I'm gonna troll myself. Oh my goodness.
Paano mo ginagawa yun nasa ilalim ka?
Huh? Para matitrap yung players, yung mapapasok sa
Sa
garden ko.
mo. Ah, mapupunta doon.
Doon.
Ah, okay.
Para,
Hindi sila papasok sa garden mo?
opo, para po.
May pumasok nga eh. Kita ako.
Ayun. Uy, sino? Hindi, ito lang ano yun.
Nasa likod.
Ha?
Ay, ano ba yun?
Ha?
Lalakad.
NPC lang. Oh, ay! Ay, si Maju. Si Marjun lang yun. Marjun. Goodness. Angry plant! I return.
Feed me. Ano, Easter plants now.
Oh, Easter plants. Easter candy carrot.
Take this plant. Ano?
Chocolate berry.
No.
Wait, candy carrot, chocolate berry, gumbo,
Wala ka namang pera.
gumbo,
Bakit wala ka ng pera?
ha?
Zero oh.
Ha? Coins.
Walang kang
Coins.
pera nga.
Hindi, walang coins.
Ano pambili mo yan?
Anong licorice? Ano yung licorice? Licorice? Ano po yung
Licorice.
licorice?
Licorice. Bigay mo. Pwede ba? Wala naman. Hindi naman eh. Ex mo na yan. Umalis ka na dyan.
To that Easter?
Bago 10 minutes.
Oh,
Kapag mga
goodness.
9:50, mag-goodbye. Mag-goodbye guys ka na dyan.
Okay. Hello?